everybody doing today? This is Brian back with another look at bone here. All right, so kind of covering this thing a little bit more than I expected to. I want to keep you guys happy. Got a lot of people watching, kind of a lot of people watching the video, so I definitely want to keep covering. I got people keep asking, so we'll keep at it, guys. Might as well. I enjoy covering it, and so here we go. All right, I want to give a shout out to 3 new members here real quick: a Black Moon, Jason Soto, and Butte Andy. Thank you so very much for the memberships, guys. I appreciate that so very much. And you can join in the description of the video. It starts at 99 cents for an entry up to a 4th level where you can actually I'll be posting learning how to trade videos, 1 or 2 a week on there. So that's a level 4 if you're interested in that. But all right, guys, here we go. Let's get moving here. First off, all right, we ended up here. Okay, this thing, we ended up so close to our target here. Okay, got this on the daily. We didn't miss it by much. I think we missed it by what? It's at $1.72, went up to $1.74, so we missed it by 2 or 3 cents. Okay, and we're gonna see what's gonna happen next with this thing, or nobody knows for sure, but what I think is gonna happen next here. All right, so first off, let's take a quick look at the crypto bubbles. Here we go. Here's for the day. Got a lot more stuff turning green out there. There's Bone at 2.6. We are ranked number 97, up 1. $378 million market cap. Not bad. Up 56% for the month and 45% for the year, or 26% for the week. So looking good, that's for sure. All right, let's move over here. Take a real quick look at the leader of the market here. Bitcoin is starting to move a little bit. It's up 158 bucks. That's what we want to see. We need the Bitcoin to go. Okay. Let's take a quick look at this chart because it has had a little tiny breakout. The technicals on it, the summary is a sell. The moving averages are a sell. The oscillators are neutral. Okay, I don't even know why I'm showing these things again. These are kind of a lagging indicator. Okay, if Bitcoin takes off right now, this will still say sell, sell, sell until tomorrow, after Bitcoin's price is up at 35,000 bucks. Then it will say buy. So I quit showing them a while ago. That's probably the last time you'll ever see them again. They're just a lagging indicator. Okay, but Bitcoin on the daily, you can see the RSI is still heading up, starting to get a decent bounce here out of this thing. The weekly is so close to turning bullish. 62.45 and 62.79. These numbers right here, see what they are. 62. As long as the blue number is bigger, it's bullish. Okay. The monthly is still bullish. The 12-hour, 12 hours trying to turn up. You can see that the blue RSI line is trying to turn back up, and we have a green candle in the 12-hour too. The 8-hour turning up. The 4-hour is also turning up. All right, so you can see what happened here with Bitcoin. All right, this is what happens normally with any coin. You get that initial breakout. Okay, and a lot of people will jump in right here if FOMO kicks in. They don't want to miss out. Don't buy big green candles. All right, wait, the coin will pull back, do a retest of the breakout area right here, okay, and then start to take off. And that's what Bitcoin is exactly starting to do here. It's starting to move, so that's good to see. That we need to see that happening. Okay, let's go back over to Bone here. Open this chart up. All right, now you can see here, if we put a trend line on this, okay, let's put one on here because trend lines are super important. The trend is your friend. That's what they say. Okay, that's the saying in this trading world. So you want that's pretty close. Okay, we got our lines, we got our touches here. Touch. I really don't. If you're moving out too far, then you're not getting any touches in here. So the tighter, the better. There we go. That's pretty decent right there. Okay, well, pour out just a hair. Okay, we're gonna lock it there. The trend is your friend. All right, as long as you don't break this, if the thing is still on an upward trajectory. Not a very easy word for me to get out there today. Okay, the 4 hour is heading up. All right, the 8 hour is coming down. Looks like it wants to curve up here. Okay, the 12 hour is at the top and correcting. The daily is at the top and has flipped bearish. Okay, the weekly is still bullish. We don't have a monthly here, so let's go back here to this 4 hour. All right, what I'm looking for here, all right, is an ABC. Okay, now if an ABC comes in here, it's going to break this and come down to this area here. That's what I'm expecting to happen. Okay, usually after a 5 wave up, you have an ABC correction. Okay, typical Elliott wave stuff right here. Elliott wave theory 101. You have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you have an ABC correction, and then you continue on your way up, okay, or the direction you're heading. If it's 5 waves down, then you have an upwards ABC, and then you start your five more waves down, okay. That's how that works out. So we had our 5 waves up here, okay. No, an ABC should be coming in here. All right, so let's measure this out. All right. Okay, now depends on where we are taking this from too. Okay, we take this from the blow off top here. All right, we have hit a 702 right there. Now if we come down and that's a 1 for 1, where's that going to bring us? Okay, that's going to 1 for 1 ratio would bring us down a bit right there. Alright, that would bring us right down to this level here. Okay, now let's go out in a daily and see if that matches up with any solid areas of support. Oh, yes. yes, it does. Alright, you got your support through here, these wicks right here. Very good support area. Let's go back through here. Yeah, so it was resistance there. Okay, so that could be what plays out here. We'll have to wait and see. Let's go back to that 4. Was we on a 4 hour? Yes. Okay, so if we take in if this is what plays out, and we'll have to see. You know, nobody's 100% right in this market. It just doesn't work like that. If it was that easy, you know, everybody would be nailing this. Okay, but I am believing that this is coming in right here. Okay, we have an A, a B, and a C coming down here to, what is that? $1.48. Okay, now we'll see if that happens. That's my best guess here. You know, this thing could actually end up pushing. You know, it could push back up here again a little. You know, not a higher high, but it could push up here a little higher, and then have that ABC correction. But I believe this ABC is coming in. That'll pull us back down to that $1.48. Okay, which would be a solid support area. And then we would start, that would give that daily time to come down, and this isn't something that's probably going to just happen, you know, that quick. It's going to take a few days to play out. That would give the daily time to get reset, the 12-hour time to come down. All right, these 12-hour candles, you can see they can take a while to come down sometimes. 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. Okay, right now we are at 1.5 days, you know, as far as the 12 coming down. 8 hour is almost down there at the bottom, but you know what can happen a lot of times when these get to the bottom. I'll show you on the 4. All right, that 4 hour, you know, it is down there right now. Okay, then what can happen a lot of times is it can start coming up like this and then just roll right back over and head back down. That might not happen. We'll see what happens, okay? This isn't financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, guys, but in my opinion, an ABC's coming in here at some time, okay? We had that 5 waves up, and let's get back out here on the daily, okay? And at some point, you have to have an ABC come in. Right here we went 1, 2, 3, 4, and our blow off top are 5. Okay, and then typically you should have an ABC after that. So watch for a pullback to the $1.48 area, and we'll see. We'll regroup at that point and see if we're going to be marching 5 more up and breaking out of this massive wedge here. Okay, that is grouping up here, right? So we've been bouncing around in it. We'll see if we're about ready to break out of it next. So, all right, guys, thank you so much. Please consider joining the channel, and have a great night, everybody.